Hello again guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be cooking Suman Cassava. It's a Filipino delicacy wrapped in banana leaves that is very popular in rural areas in the Philippines. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now here are our ingredients. For our wrapper, we need banana leaves, coconut shaving or shredded coconut, salt, brown sugar, and grated cassava. For our filling, we'll be needing coconut shaving again and brown sugar. Now let's start. On a clean bowl, let's pour in our grated cassava. This cassava is usually frozen, so it needs to be thawed properly before starting with this dish or delicacy. Make sure to scrape all the remaining grated cassava on the plastic and add with the coconut shredded or shaving together with the brown sugar and salt. Then start mixing it all together until a homogeneous mixture is achieved. For those who live in abroad or working on abroad, Filipinos who wants to try this delicacy, you can find these ingredients in all Asian stores that usually found in your locality. Just keep mixing the ingredients until it's ready for wrapping. Now, let's set aside our mixture and prepare our filling. With the shredded coconut or shaving, let's just add our brown sugar and mix all together. Then set aside as well. Now we will move on to our wrapper, which is the banana that usually frozen and can be bought as well on Asian store. Before using our banana, it should be completely thawed and cut into a dessert size for wrapping our cassava. In order to make our banana leaves stronger for wrapping, we have to gently grill it in a flame. Just do the same process on the remaining leaves. Using kitchen towel, we have to wipe all the banana leaves before using for wrapping to remove the dirt attached on our banana leaves. Now let's start wrapping our banana leaves. Just line it up on our banana and fill in our filling. Gently roll to cover the filling by the cassava before wrapping it completely. Just follow the procedure that I'm doing and gently fold both ends to seal our cassava. Just do the same procedure on the remaining cassava mixture and filling. This Filipino delicacy is very popular on provinces and even a source of income of some of the families where their livelihood is planting this kind of fruit crops. In fact, there are many Filipino desserts or delicacies that can be made out of this cassava, and this one of the very popular among our delicacies. Before, Suman Cassava is just a plain, without filling, but because of our innovation and hunger for some taste, we put different fillings on our Suman Cassava, like this one that I'm doing. Now that we are finished wrapping all our cassava mixture, we can start cooking it in a clean pot. Just line it up gently so that it will not leak while cooking. You can use coconut milk as water for this cassava filling for more flavor for cooking. But in this process, I'll be just using a plain water. Cover it and cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, let's turn off the fire, and it's finished. And here are our Suman Cassava. Now let's try one of our suman. Let's unwrap the wrapper. And here is our Suman Cassava. For more videos of DIY and cooking, please tune in to our YouTube channel and help us to grow our YouTube channel. You can also visit our Facebook page, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad, TikTok, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Now, enjoy our Suman Cassava with your family and loved ones, and taste the real Filipino dessert or delicacy, our Suman Cassava. Now, it's your turn to try our Filipino delicacy or dessert, our Suman Cassava. Enjoy cooking! Happy eating! Thank you very much and God bless! Bye-bye!